And I just want to say I appreciate everybody for coming out tonight. I'm still waiting on some more artists right now, but we finna get the show on the road. So the next person I'm about to call up is Shay Baby. Is that your right name?
Yes, it's Shay Baby.
I just want to make sure I get it right, you know what I'm saying? So, give it up for Shay Baby, you know what I'm saying? Follow her on all social media platforms, YouTube, all that.
I'm on all platforms. It's Shay Baby, Shay with a C. Hey, hey. Yo, it's Shay with a C, pulling up on the beat. Fuck a nigga, fuck a bitch. I only see me. I do this shit for fun. If you know me, then you know, bro. I'm not the type to sneak a bitch. I don't do no low blows. Stay in your lane, ho. Please know your place, though. It's Shay with a C, all on your FIP. Mean what I say, I don't do posts and deletes. Want a feature on my page, then you gotta pay a fee. In a rush like a nigga gotta pee. Getting to the check, all means necessary. Get cut, can't get no commissary. When I go to feast, only eating with the family. Shay baby, why you doing like that? Give a little taste, have him coming right back. My baby give me brain, then put it on the track. And like the nigga, so I gave him right back to the street. Bro, niggas made me nervous. Pull up in the scat, do the dash, bitch, I'm swerving. Shot in the pad, where the grabber, I'ma burn it. Lame ass nigga on my trail, bitch, I'm curving. A nigga, bring the beat back, nigga, put your seat back. Acting straight pressure, where the heat at. Really about that action, making movies, where the seat at. Do a couple tricks, every night, this where he be at, nigga. But if you knew that, though, yo, thank you, I appreciate y'all. Yo, give it.
Baby.
Perception is deception, bitch, let me tell you that. Niggas hating from the back, can't even show rise to that. Chillin' with my girls, got bottles in the back. Yeah, we play hard, but we running up a sack. Perception is deception, bitch, let me tell you that. Niggas hating from the back, can't even show rise to that. Chillin' with my girls, got bottles in the back. Yeah, we play hard, but we running up a sack. Get it back and run it up, get a new bag every week, get a new bag every week. Yeah, I love to stay on fleek. Iced out weed, like my rap game me. On put the play with me, I'll put you on the teeth. Go crazy on you dumbos, finesse with my big bros, get to the money, that's G-code. Stick to the code, lame niggas don't fold. Claim shit that they really not, man, that shit get old, whoa. Ain't pressed about no nigga, yeah, I get money, ain't no time for a nigga. Yeah, ass fat, but my band's way bigger. Ain't no trigger talk if you ain't pulling trigger. Perception is deception, bitch, let me tell you that. Niggas hating from the back, can't even show rise to that. Chillin' with my girls, got bottles in the back. Yeah, we play hard, but we running up a sack. Perception is deception, bitch, let me tell you that. Niggas hating from the back, can't even show rise to that. Chillin' with my girls, got bottles in the back. Yeah, we play hard, but we running up a sack. Real bitches do real shit. Ain't no price cut, better run all of it. Work hard, no you ain't cutting shit. Ain't no time for discussion, we gon' handle it. Pretty bitch, yeah, I got this whole sour. Working by the pen and you working by the hour. On the road, running plays. Why you running like a coward? Yeah, I'm going up, ain't never going downward. Bad bitch, raw attitude. Licked on your neck, get you in the mood. He said he missed pussy, so I sent a nude. Now he better run some dick before I catch your attitude. Perception is deception, bitch, let me tell you that. Niggas hating from the back, can't even chill rise to that. Chillin' with my girls, got bottles in the back. Yeah, we play hard, but we running up a sack. Perception is deception, bitch, let me tell you that. Niggas hating from the back, can't even show rise to that. Chillin' with my girls, got bottles in the back. Yeah, we play hard, but we running up a sack. Go get some money. Let me tell you that. Stop trying to tune shit too. Where about you, bitch? Go get a fucking bag, ho. Perception is deception.
Bring your respect.
Hey. I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good night.
Yes, sir. Make sure y'all follow her on all social media platforms. It's Shay Baby. Now, so the next artist I'm about to call up is Dolo954.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people in the building, Broward County, East Side, you know what I'm saying? 954.
Yes, sir.
Dolo954. I'm winning. I've been the same nigga way from the beginning. I'm winning. I've been the same nigga way from the beginning. I'm winning. I've been the same nigga way from the beginning. I'm winning. I've been the same nigga way from the beginning. I'm winning. I've been the same nigga way from the beginning. My energy different. Don't care about your likes, not straight about opinions. I'm feeling stupendous. I worked on my patience and I to my image. Had fun for a minute. Now it's back to the business. You know how we get it. Till I hate, I don't listen. My goals and my vision get all my attention. Like, fuck how you feeling? Hold on to your comments, don't have your mentions. The level is different. The money is instant. The open dimension. Had fun for a minute. Now it's back to the business. You know how we get it. This shit don't convince me. You're trying to offend me, get rid of them instantly. I hear all the critics, all that statistics, they hate when you winning. I'm feeling the tension. I hear all the assumptions and heavy resentment. I'm hating is endless. I just mind my own, take care of my business. See, I social distance. All I need is some weed and a couple of bitches. Her hair ain't tremendous. She said I'm finished, that pussy is splendid. See, I'm on my business. They up in my business, they keep me spinning. I here for the gimmicks. Get out of your feelings, I got bigger dealings. See, I keep it pimping. Like Charlie come through and fuck with a real one. The hustle is different. I'm on my way to get me some millions. It's deja vu. I saw myself here, it feels so familiar. I stay in my lane. I do what I do. It ain't to kill ya. It is what it is. Business and business, terms and conditions. I used to be broke, but now every day gets so residential. I'm winning, I'm winning. I've been the same nigga way from the beginning. I'm winning, I'm winning. I've been the same nigga way from the beginning. I'm winning, I'm winning. I've been the same nigga way from the beginning. I'm winning, I'm winning. I've been the same nigga way from the hey. I keep 100 on me and I'm smoking on cheese, but hey, I keep 100 on me and I'm smoking on cheese, but I keep 100 on me and I'm smoking on cheese, but hey, I keep 100 on me. I done been grinding, not taking no breaks. I need a couple of million to save. I want my niggas that had it on plate. I gotta make sure my mama them straight. I done been grinding, not taking no breaks. I need a couple of million to save. I want my niggas that had it on plate. I gotta make sure my mama them straight. Couple of racks on me for the day. I got a packet that's full of that grade. Shit super purple blooded like a grape. My bitch a bad and she shaped like a 8. That's super fat and a 10 in the face. Keep it all natural, don't deal with the fake. I get impatient, so don't make me wait. I had to go out and get it on faith. You wanna act like you put in your place. Don't make my step with some major mistakes. Success and fame always come with the hate. Always remain in the real to relate. Humble myself, get more than I take. Lessons was learned from all the mistakes. I had to go out and put it on faith. I already knew that a nigga was great. I done been running, not taking no breaks. I need a couple of million to save. I want my niggas that had it on plate. I gotta make sure my mama them straight. I done been grinding, not taking no breaks. I need a couple of million to save. I want my niggas that had it on plate. I gotta make sure my mama them straight. Hey, Dolo, Dolo, yeah, hey, Dolo, 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 hey. Dolo. Yeah, stand up. Shout out to y'all, man. For sure.
Yeah, really give it up for Dolo 954. Yeah, sir. So anybody else in the crowd want to go right now? Oh, there you go.
What it is. Papa No Native, know your boy, you know that. The first one I'm gonna do is acapella. Street nigga born in 96, these niggas all counterfeit. Had to be hard body, I've been through all kinds of shit. Wasn't good at math, but I knew how to make them dollars flip. One front, you either rob or go and get a scholarship. Everything, hold on, I ain't gonna do it like that. Let me stop. Let me stop. Nah.
You too sad as fuck. What again, Taliban?
Nah. Gun smoke. Gun smoke. Gun smoke. It's in the air, I can see it. 7623, wing 223. Gun smoke. I said that for what I needed. I want to ditch it with that whipping. I get a pin. Hold on. Gun smoke. It's in the air, I can see it. 7623, wing 223. Gun smoke. Yeah, I'm a menace to society. Ain't I don't want to run until you got in the rocket. Don't play with you before I make some noise. We gon' silence it. 762, chop around, shoot through houses and shit. You wanna see your mama crying and shit. Different body every day, somebody dying and shit. You know how crazy and how violent I get. Pulled up and that screaming like that big hit. I'ma let this bitch rip. Gun smoke. I'm feeling for it, I need it. Got with the bitch, I'm about to whip and get the pin. Gun smoke, it's in the air, I can see it. 7623, wing 223. Gun smoke, I'm feeling for it, I need it. Got with the bitch, I'm about to whip and get the pin. Being real, I get a nigga pop like a pill. Mama told me she don't wanna see me damn in my pill. I'ma ride to the end, mama, that jihad is. Son thug to the morning, ain't nobody out there. Billy corners in the coop, getting high off the gun smoke. Early in the morning with that heat like a Lonzo. Bitch, ain't no place on this planet I can't go. Bleeding through these streets, nigga, RP bankroll. Yeah, where I go, I'm strapped up with that rocket. I do what I wanna do, and who the fuck finna stop it? Put a bomb on you niggas, get it at it and drop it. Gang over everything, and I swear we the hottest. Ain't talking about champagne when I say that we poppin'. Never worry about a bitch, all these hoes dick knockin'. See the hoes for the bitch on my defense stocking. I can never bitch when they call me watch. Hoes I call me, only nigga all in your pocket. Ain't all the money you just trying to catch us from body. Bitch, you plotting, put that pussy on when you get that money about you. I be dead if the whole come off you. Gun smoke.
Meet you too savage. PT.
If you see it, it's the new style. Before I fuck, I gotta take a perk. Body full of drugs, take away the hurt. I don't wanna fall in love, cause that shit a curse. When I put no blood, I did it in her purse. Hey, she's a raw bitch, like she basic. I can't be your bitch, I just wanna taste it. Hey, Penny and fucking, she don't even taste it. She would let me fuck, all gotta take it. She thinks I'm a scammer, take it from the back, ain't got no manners. Don't test, excuse my grammar, but it's that bougie. Like you never do me, put it in your glass, we fuck, make a movie. Hey, they call me TT. And I'ma do it cause it's easy. Fuck your pull lots, I got BBs. When we pop out, we in these easy foreign. She don't want to say you boring. All my niggas scoring, ballin'. I only fuck one time, I be callin'. I don't want to, so why you fallin'? I got me a lit bitch. Put the purpose on this shit. Fuck that little bitch, she gon' bitch it. Okay, bitch.
I just wanna win, I just wanna win. Pull up in the bin. I don't really need no friends. All they do is pretend. I just wanna win, I just wanna win. Pull up in the bin. I don't really need no friends. All they do is pretend.
Let's take it back.
Before the rats. Young nigga, bitch, I been in my bag. Young nigga, bitch, I been in the trap. Fuck school, bitch, I been in my mouth. Before the perks, before the pain. Young nigga, bitch, I still blow your brain. Young nigga, bitch, I still got my name. Fuck, I'm put them on a read. Used to wear the same clothes, used to fuck all these hoes. Mouth full of goals, now my shit frozy. 19 turn me to a savage, I been had my heat. You niggas just time, way before the court dates, before the state. Young nigga, bitch, I been had my way. Young nigga, bitch, I been making plays. Young nigga, I reckon at your face. I just wanna win, I just wanna win. Pull up in the bin, I don't really need no friends. All they do is pretend. I just wanna win, I just wanna win. Pull up in the bin, I don't really need no friends. All they do is pretend.
Still a finish, bang. That boy turned into a demon, you can call him Ben 10. If I can't get it the first time, double back again. Put some money on this top, now it's off with the win. Yeah, I bet it now, but I think it's since then. Can't believe we beat down all the shit that we did. Hey, it's me and TT rolling in the wind. Just like 50, I robbed many men. Hey, in the caravan. And the duty truck, little time slide, go be suited up. Hey, I bet I don't need niggas crazy when it's time to go. I don't wanna win, know these niggas want me locked up.
I don't wanna win, pull up in the bin. I don't really need no friends. All they do is pretend. I just wanna win, pull up in the bin. I don't really need no friends. All they do is pretend.
TT. Shout out to TT, man. Appreciate y'all for coming out. We're gonna take a little 5-minute break, play some music. And we got some artists in the building, so it's about to get lit. Make sure y'all run those views up, man. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. So the next person we about to call up is J Ryder. What's going on, man?
Yo.
We already vibing now. I ain't gonna lie.
With the LA jersey.
I'm high as fuck. Yeah, you already know.
Ooh. Yeah.
Hey. Now niggas ain't got no choice. Yeah. Stand for them.
Gold on my Cuban links. I done made mistakes. I'm a different me. Made a lot of strangers, also made a lot of enemies. Oh, they changed their ways, but I guess it wasn't meant to be. All these niggas on my back, I swear they tryna break me down. Pick myself back up, cause I was lost, but now I'm found. All these niggas hating, swear these niggas looking like some clowns. Mama told me once it goes around, it always comes around. Keep a ton of vision for these fuck niggas, yeah, yeah. Don't move behind no back, so I don't trust niggas, yeah, yeah. I'ma step behind my brother, that's a must, nigga. You say I did him wrong, well, boy, wait till these slugs hit you. Ooh, if I can't be myself, then who I'm supposed to be? When I see your favorite rapper on the yacht on TV, that's why I feel the way I feel, that's why it's for the industry. I swear I'm so sick and tired of these streets. I've been through the jungle and how to survive. I've been through some struggles, some fights in my time. No, I ain't give up, yeah, I had to keep pushing. No matter who hate, I'ma keep on pushing, yeah. My heart worth a million, yeah, yeah. My heart worth a million, yeah, yeah. My heart worth a million, yeah, yeah. My heart worth a million, my heart worth a million. Keep it 1K with my brothers, I ain't never been the lame. Put my heart into this music, I ain't do it for the fame. They say you change, you get money, but bitch, I'm still the same. Cool and posted with them niggas, screaming gang, gang. You still my brother, we ain't gotta rep the same game. Let's get this money, me and Woody on the same thing. And at the end, yeah, we all gotta maintain. Bitch, I'm coolin' with my niggas, smoking propane. Swear I've been through so much shit, they call me Major Pain. Only had a couple niggas with me walking in the rain. That's why I keep the 40 with me, I got perfect aim. Strive for the best and I success, I'm in a different range. Mama always told me one day I was gonna be a star, but I swear I didn't know that I would take it this far. I picked my heart back out the dirt and some shit left me with scars. Mama son be out here stressing, I ain't smoking cigars. I done been through the jungle and how to survive. I done been through the struggle, some fights in my time. No, I ain't give up, yeah, I had to keep pushing. No matter who hate, I'ma keep on pushing, yeah. My heart worth a million, yeah, yeah. My heart worth a million, yeah, yeah. My heart worth a million, yeah, yeah. My heart worth a million. Ooh, ooh, VV's on my neck and they too turned up. Shawty drunk as hell, think she just threw up. When I say it's up at the club, go up. You know I stay with the gang and we don't give a fuck. Ooh, watch I bust it out the bag. Shawty walked in and she got a lot of ass. My dog dropped out of school, but he always popping class, yeah. Oh, you got that? Okay, okay. And they ask me how I do this. Working 6 days, but I still be on my music. Working 9 to 5, I like Nike, I just do it. I swear I got the shit that had the whole party grooving, exclusive. That nigga coming with excuses, I do this. I didn't need to do, I use it, improve it. Little baby jamming to my music, I'm grooving. And I put Henny on ice. You can tell by all this pain when you look in my eyes. I hit you up, you did it, and I see you just stood in the skies. Now I'm ballin' on you bitches, and they all surprised. I swear that they don't know the pain that I'm feeling inside, yeah. I'm wasted off the Henny like the usual. Niggas steady hating, that's the usual. Bitches going crazy, so they doing too much. You know I stay with the gang and we don't give a fuck. Yeah, BB's on my neck and they too turned up. Yeah, Shawty drunk as hell, think she just threw up. Yeah, when I say it's up at the club, go up. You know I stay with the gang and we don't give a fuck. Nah, for real. You niggas be on that cap shit, on that wacky shit. I really be on that wacky shit. Ooh. I'm been fighting no like that. I can't get no height. This new he got me eat up like I'm Pharaoh. Pick a little baby, dick if I say so. Share a little bitch that she don't wanna pay so. Follow my brother, I need some more hits. But she's on my walk, bend over, get mayo. Fuck a bit mad, bitch, I want the Draco. I'm talking a little party, he just got a lay up. That was my dog, was going out there. I let my brother go, need a new friend. My dog ain't gon' rock me, wait till the end. Stack it up, stack it up, stack it again. Making so hard, I might need me a drum set. Now your bitch feeling good, nigga. I saw my wrist, now that bitch gave me frostbite. Okay, I help you want it. Young nigga ballin', put me in the big league. I'ma whip it, it's all off out the rich speed, took off from Fort Speed back to Da Vinci. It's a party we whipping on jet ski, smoking like money, but this not no Reggie. I'm an artist, so please do not test me. See me your bitch, now she giving me Becky. Okay, sing that for you, girl, you rockin' my baby. I made that for a lady, I'm saying this. Okay. You eat with the last, I eat with the greatest. I dream with flip, I can't live with a hater. Yeah, I got that bag on me, so best believe I got that scrap on me. Yeah, I got that bag on me, so best believe I got that scrap on me. Try to be bugging, I call that whole beater. Look over when a couple of shot of your eater. I been on my way, never follow the leader. I stay with the gang and I stay with the heater. Yeah, I got that bag on me, so best believe I got that scrap on me. Yeah, I got that bag on me, so best believe I got that scrap on me. Bitch, I've been thugging since I was a jet. Hammer from nothing, then I'm from the shit. Remember me and walk ahead in them lids. I told my little bird, I'm put trust in the bitch. Dig it down, then put trust in the lip. You don't know who I don't get that whole shit. I swear you gon' learn this life is a bitch. Just watch how these niggas and bitches gon' switch. But let's get back to business. You thought I was finished? No. Black, I can't the minute. Third round, I shooting, I did it. Turn on the bitch so you know I ain't missing. I'll be saying, cause I stay on the mission. Out to the beat and not till it and kill it. Give me more time cause you know I ain't finished. Know what I mean, but I'm chasing a dream. In 2019, I don't follow the scene. No, you can do you, and I'ma do me. No, I'm not a rap, but I only want cheese. I buy you a bag, you say that please. Drop on my changes and clean DVDs. I feel like right wave, I'ma die on these links. Yeah. All this fucking ice blood on milk. Yeah, all this fucking ice blood on milk. Yeah, whoa. All this fucking ice blood on milk. Yeah, whoa. All this fucking ice blood on milk. Yeah, whoa. All this fucking ice blood on milk. All this fucking ice blood on milk. Yeah, whoa. All this fucking ice blood on milk. Yeah.
Stay right, yo. Make sure I follow that boy on all social media platforms. Look at the lighters in the air. Yes, sir. Somebody call up. I'm running straight from the island. Jay Price.
Stand up, but listen, we can run the back and they back on it. They back on it. Let's run it. Let's get it. See, they make island style music. Everybody who was here previously know that. The new faces they can turn around for y'all, right? Niggas they be dating, but they thank them. Because of what they did, I rap songs, somebody sex them. You know what they did, so they get it. Turn me up a little bit, though. Yeah, they blessing, they loving it to pieces. Hold up on the mic, listen like the big freezes. All the other cash, I ain't worried about the leases. All you hating niggas bitches, and you know I ain't got some leases. Niggas tell me, they ain't gonna please up the seats. Oh yeah, the niggas talking, but they on for the beat. Nah, niggas I'm always kicking with rain families. Putting on the strong sweet, and no one come out of me. Ain't no ain't popping on my own shit. Please don't that surprise. And nigga level up and you can see it on my eyes. I don't fuck with niggas who be cussing with their lights. And I don't fuck with bitches who always do what's right. Man, ain't popping on my own shit. Please don't that surprise. And nigga level up and you can see it in my eyes. I don't fuck with niggas who be cussing with their lights. And I don't fuck with bitches who be waiting what's right. But they back on it. They tell all of the girls they back on it. I ain't say they put my back in it. But they know they back on it. All my haters why they back on it. I ain't never tell they back on it. I ain't say they put my back in it. But they know they back on it. But y'all there, y'all good? Now remember this one. Like I said before, all my dogs in the islands, they need me. Above all. All my dogs in the islands, they need me. Island gods. Yeah. It's a crazy little life that I'm living. A nigga that I kill, but I'm stuck with my feelings. But I know I'm good cause my whole team winning. I like to split and I raise it to the ceiling. I do it for my dogs, so I want to do it with me. If you talk about my niggas, pussy nigga, you gon' see me from a nigga that young, so they walk around and hear me. I'm trying to watch his pain, so I watch it down in any. I can't wait till they see me ass on TV. All my dogs on the islands, they need me. I pop a Cuban and pass it down in BBs. I tell these bitches, they don't text me, CC. I give my heart to these niggas that won't feed me. I do my back to the only ones that love me, I'm sorry. Please forgive me my charges. But a nigga on this grind, my apologies. See, I knew what it was from the get-go. My nigga with a skull and the room started to echo. El Todo El Mundo and me and Cripple, the homie Dineros, he was super Westo. 2020 was a hell of a year. I swear to God, the world and Bobby blessed me, yeah. When we lost Kobe, man, how the fuck that soul disappear? But it's great, cause it crosses niggas up in the air. And now we tend to walk with that pistol on me. And I'm down to let it bang if you ride above me. And if you saw me in the past, you won't call me dirty. But if you knew me in the mind, you would say I'm worthy. Fuck whoever and they got me talking shit on my name. Don't think you proceed, you play a life as a game. I just want the cheese, get the fuck fuckable thing. You know they yapping. Can't wait till they screaming my name. Can't wait till they see me out on TV. All my dogs and islands, they need me. I'm probably Cuban and busted down in VDs. I can't stop, still don't text me, CC. I give my heart to these niggas that won't feed me. I do my thing to the only ones that love me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me my charging. But a nigga on this grind, my apologies. I can't wait till they see me out on TV. All my dogs and islands, they need me. I'm copy Cuban and busted down in VDs. I tell these gals, please don't text me, CC. I give my heart to these niggas that won't feed me. I do my thing to the only ones that love me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me my charging. But a nigga on this grind, my apologies. Yeah, appreciate everybody that came out today. Follow me on Instagram at DAREMIXKAD. Y'all have a good one.
The Remix Kid.
Can y'all please put Donnie back on, bro?
Yo, make sure y'all follow the Remix Kid on Instagram, all social media platforms, SoundCloud, Jay Price. You know what I'm saying? So he requested Godly, Mr. Godly.
I need to have work early. Work early. See what I'm talking about?
You got to early. That's crazy.
What is you talking about? Come on, bro.
Damn, you had niggas waiting on you?
What is you talking about?
It's crazy, man. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man.
Hey, how many I can do?
I mean, you're really the last performer unless somebody want to go with that win already.
Oh, Jay, okay. Hey, listen, look, alright, cause look. I ain't gonna say it out loud, baby. Right now.
Hey, this nigga came with a whole plan, a whole scheme, right? Hey. Look, we just gonna run it, you know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned. Mr. Godly, so when you...
Right now we gonna run the funks. You already know who it is. Everybody been on that pain shit, so we gonna start it from the heart.
I'm trying to tell you, man. Killing guards in this bitch. And if we made it, then it's the truth, nigga. Shit, if I tell you that it's true.
Go ahead and spark up to this.
Always some pain that's behind this smile. And some tears that you'll never see. No, I don't always talk about my trials. Most times I just drown it out in Hennessy. Yeah, cause when that bottle run out, I be like, sometimes I pray to God like, God, do you hear me? Hear me? Tell me out. No, I can't trust his soul. No, why this world gotta be so cold? Ain't no Valentine, yeah, my heart still froze. Close people dead, trying to do me. Said I would never fold. Sorry, mama, I'm a drug abuser. Mary, gotta use her. Sometimes I be ready to act a nuisance. Yeah, when they talk to me foolish. All that cocker they be chatting, I ain't hearing nothing. One trying to lose how I get grew, putting trust in my cousin. When legit that one is, so it's right back to hustling. Was in the trap and was my mattress. Had a daddy with a body looking something like an actress. Claiming she love a nigga, but I knew she was acting over abroad when my dogs try to pull up and clap me. Man, it's in my life still more like always some pain that's behind this smile. And some tears that you never see. No, I don't always talk about my trials. Most times I just think I'm in this shit. Yeah, but when that bottle run out, I be like, feelings. Yeah, sometimes I pray to God like, God, do you hear me?
Thank you. Right that shit.
Sneaky link. Know that. I don't give a fuck what a BD think. She wanna steal my ethicas, and whenever she fucks, she be grabbing on my Cuban links. Chocolate lady, yeah, that pussy pink. Wop, yeah, that box flooded like the sink. Mix that size with that perky six. Ooh, yeah, she like that perky six. I'm saying that she like she think. Ooh, yeah, that my sneaky link. Ooh, yeah, that my sneaky link. Ooh, Ooh, yeah, that's my sneaky link. Ooh, yeah, that's my sneaky link. Let me break down that. Working all week and they need a de-stressor. Ain't got time for the fake and the phony little efforts. She know I ain't never gonna hit her lesser than the pressure. Busting them pipes with the pressure. Back to the floor to the dresser. Yes sir, I'ma drive the body just like a Tesla. No hands, grown woman and grown man. Kiss no private to private, but we get nasty on cam. I let her feel like go ahead get the camera. Beat from the best, but that ass on the damage. You know what I'm on. Maritone's got the stamina, body got the I'ma handle you, Ain't nobody gotta know. She could hit me whenever she on the low. And I know my way best pick up that phone. Girl, I'm right around that cone. Plus it while I'm right strong. Oh yeah, that's my sticky link. I don't give a fuck what your nigga think. She wanna steal my epic goods. And whenever we fuck, she be grabbing on my Cuban links. Chocolate lady, yeah, that pussy pink. Why get that box flooded like the sink? Mix that size with that perky shakes. Ooh yeah, she love that perky shakes. I been singing that shit like she sing. Ooh yeah, that my sticky link. Ooh yeah, that my sticky link. I know somebody feel it. Oh yeah, that my sticky link. Hey, the other mic working though? It's good though? Cut that shit for me.
Cut that shit.
Yo. Y'all vibing tonight? Hey, turn up with me right quick. Please, can I get everybody on their feet? Please, can everybody stand up for me right quick? Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Get up, 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 get up.
They running their mouth like, fuck is you talking about? What you talking about? My nigga pull up, no talking, you know that we add up. Boom, boom. I hear killers and God, no nine, no, we do not fuck around. We don't fuck. Like, fuck is you talking about? Fuck is you talking about? Yeah. Nigga, they running their mouth like, fuck is you talking about? What is they talking about? My niggas pull up, no talking, you know that we add up. Boom! I ain't no killers and God, no nine, no, we do not fuck around. We don't fuck around. What the fuck is you talking about? No! What the fuck is you talking about? I got the way, I got the man like I'm doing. These niggas be capping, these bitches talk. I touch the rest of me pouring. That boy out of the line, gotta put it in order. Got saying, but it's our shit, now he talking to the reaper. This is my bitch, cause these ones I keep it. Get you close and I know I help his weavers. Ooh, nigga, I'm balling the big leagues. Your nigga, he like he a piss squeak. Ooh, I got my chips and the blue cheese. I drink it, I kick all the Bruce Lee. Blue chips, and his feathers gon' knock off your Bruce Lee. I can't throw the shot if she groupie. Unless you got friends that's groupie. Ooh, yeah, these niggas don't know that I'm loaded. Loaded, they creep on your block in the road. I got that boy like it's over. Gotta knock off the leash to this clover. Fuck the law, ain't no pulling me over. Drop some lines in the spray, I'ma act up. 3 grams in the wood, broke the rapper. Fuck you thought I'm a thug and a rapper. These niggas, they running their mouth like, fuck is you talking about? My nigga pull up, no talking, you know that we add out. I ain't no killers, God, no nine, no, we do not fuck around. Like, fuck is you talking about? Like, fuck is you talking about? Yeah, these niggas, they running their mouth like, fuck is you talking about? Fuck is you talking about? My nigga pull up, no talking, you know that we add out. I ain't no killers, God, no nine, no, we do not fuck around. Hey, hey, fuck is you talking about? This is what the fuck is you talking about? Hey, what the fuck is you talking about? Fuck is you saying? Better watch how you pop out your lip, got the sticks with the guard, I ain't playing. I said fucking with it to the top. I know people that's praying I don't make it. Never tested the press, got me faded. Tested it, taking the bait. Loaded up, bang, bang. Oh, get on sight. Still with that Nina, she feel like a dyke. Minding my business, taking up twice. So why would you try it? Let's watch out your bitch, she ready to slide. Big I bite, might turn it to white. Sight. These niggas ain't running their mouth like fuck is you talking about? My niggas pull up, no talking, you know that we add out. I ain't no killers and God, no nine, no we do not fuck around. Like fuck is you talking about? Like fuck is you talking about? Yeah, these niggas they running their mouth like fuck is you talking about? My niggas pull up, no talking, you know that we add out. I ain't no killers and God, no nine, no we do not fuck around. Like fuck is you talking about? Like fuck is you talking about? Ooh, yeah. Hey. What are you talking about? What are you saying? What are you talking about? Look at this thing, I got it.
Oh my God, back in this business. Oh my God.
I said this, what happened when you let me in my song again? What you thought we gonna punch in right there? Nah, but we got another one for you. Let's go. Hey, yo. No behavior. Keep that big head and stick with the laser. I'ma let how I want fucking hate him. When we pop out, we doing it major. Keep them bottles, no chasing. Chocolate better been my favorite. Fuck around, treat her ass like a basic. Saying again. No behavior. This what happened when you let me in my zone again. Don Bully, whoa, yeah, no. Got it going again. It's Coupe and Uber. But me and my shooters on the road again. Baby to go. In the throat she told. Calling my Rona friend. Quarantine, fucking I'm back on the scene. Fuck do you mean? Shorty increasing return to all 50 on Celine. Fuck do you mean? Better wait, know what's in. Shake it like it's 2 days Vegas. Let me go crazy. Need 2 fake. Killing guys gonna get pimpers, gonna hate shit. No behavior. Keep that big ass stick with the laser. I'm gonna let how I want fucking haters. When we pop out, we doing it major. Keep them bottles, no chasing. Talking a little better bit in my yeah. I treat that like a rap saying, yeah, me and God is going crazy. I got a load, yeah, I got a pack in. I'm in the back with a best friend. When I slide on totally a half thing, yeah. No behavior, yeah. Count paper. Pull up with this got lazy. Broke in the shooter, knocked off him with doodle. Call me and he pull up with rules. Glock his back in the screen like a rooster. Try to pull up on gold. Call dope, baby. Since you was walking this shit, got me lazy. Now they don't go in the car with the lazy. I gotta play, but I feel like mellow. Try to shake, I gotta shake it like jello. I'm trying to play with a kid like hello. No behavior, got big ass stick with the lazy. Yeah, I don't want fucking hate. When we pop out, we doing it major. Keep bottles, no chasing. Try to live at a bit in my favor. Fucking around, treat her head like a basic saying. No behavior. No behavior. What happened? No behavior. I said this. What happened when you let me in my zone again? Boom!
Yeah, sir.
Gang shit. That's it.
That is it from y'all to Mr. Godly and Jay Ryder. Make sure y'all follow me on all social media platforms. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Not to him. We going up.